These doors were on special offer and I love them, but I've come across a big problem that might force me to change my whole plan. When I bought these doors, I honestly thought I was sorted. They look good and they were on special offer, so I've already started fitting them. But only after getting this far did I realize something I hadn't checked properly. They don't make drawers in the same style or color. It's ridiculous. I've been to a few places now and I just can't find anything that's a close enough match, which means I've got a decision to make before I go any further. Option number 1 is to use these drawers. They're not exactly the right colour, they're slightly darker, and there are no gold handles. So the pros are, it's a quick fix, it's simple to do, solves the problem, but the cons are, if it doesn't look right, it will stay not looking right forever. Option number 2 is to buy these drawers, which are good quality drawers, and then repaint them and buy new gold handles. So the pros are, it would look nice and hopefully similar to the existing doors, but the cons are, it will be expensive and the paint could wear off in the future. Option number 3 is to buy a matching door and then fit a set of drawers behind the door. So the pros of that will be a nice clean look. The cons will be that it's not going to be very convenient to have to open the door first before you can pull a drawer out. So before I make a decision, I'd like your input. What would you do? Would you go for option 1, the mismatched drawers, which would be cheap and quick, but it might look wrong forever? Or option number 2, which is the more expensive, more work, and it's not guaranteed, but it could give me a closer match? Or option number 3, which would be a nice clean look with matching doors, but it will be less convenient for day-to-day use. Let me know in the comments which option you would choose. I will read every reply before I make a decision, and I will see you on the next video as the build continues.